Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let me speak something about the senior citizens. All of us know that 21st August is celebrated as World Senior Citizens Day. In the year 1988, Ronald Reagan, then President of USA, declared that we will celebrate 21st August as the World Seniors Day. From that day onwards, we are celebrating this day as the Senior Citizens Day. First of all, what the senior citizens should forget. First thing, forget your age. Don't say I am 70 years old, I am 80 years old. Forget your age. Forget your past. Whatever, good or bad, forget about your past. And forget all the complaints. No complaining now. See, this is the first thing what we have to do is forgetting our age, forgetting our past, and forgetting all the complaints. Then what we should pay attention or consider? Pay attention to your family, friends, positive thinking, clean and happy home. These all things we should pay attention. Because you are knowing our family members, they give us a lot of affection, a lot of love. We too love them. And friends, you are knowing how our day goes with the friends. And positive thinking always keeps us young. Optimism keeps us young. And clean and happy home. Our house should be clean and happy. Now what we should pay attention or what we should follow? First thing is keep on smiling. Next, be regular in your exercise, whatever it is, walking everyone can do. And we should control on our weight. Because you are knowing, if our weight increases, it is an invitation to different diseases. So we should control our weight. Then what we should do? First thing, drink water. Don't feel that only when you are thirsty you should drink water. No. Every now and then you should keep on drinking water. Next, take rest. Rest is also a must. Then we should have regular health checkups. Otherwise, don't be under the impression only when I am sick I will go to the doctor and consult him. No. Once in a year compulsorily we all should go to the doctor and have a full health checkup. Then important thing what I feel is believe in God. Because you are knowing this belief, it helps us. Suppose whatever work, if I have done it to my level best, then I will think then it is left to God. If He wishes, it will be done like that. So even belief in God, it helps us a lot. Self-belief is a must. Yes, I am healthy, I can do this, I am happy, I can help others. Have this self-belief. Positive thinking, very, very important in our life. Then as I told you, we should pay attention towards our food. Then what we should avoid? First I will tell you what we should avoid. Then I will tell you what we should eat. We should avoid salt, sugar and maida. These three things are called as poisons to our life. Salt means it doesn't mean only salt. I am not using salt, but even the salty things like papad, pickles and all, where salt is used more. Because as a preservative it is used little bit more. So we should avoid these three things, that is salt, sugar and maida. And milk products also, as we grow old. First, there is no need of milk products. If you want curds, it is okay, good. But otherwise, milk and ghee and all, because it increases our weight also. And as we complete 50, 60, we should reduce the use of milk products. Then even processed food, we should avoid processed food. Then you will ask me that what we should eat, madam. See, there are so many things to eat. First of all, vegetables, plenty of vegetables you can eat. Then fruits, and at the same time I have told you, their time period from the fields to reach your kitchen, it should be less. Shortest period should means whatever is grown around you, you should prefer it more. Then sprouts, you have to use. Dry fruits, they are very good. And fruits, I told you, you have to use fruits. And you can use tender coconut water and all. And even fresh juices you can use, but the juices should be prepared in your house with the fresh fruits, not the packed ones which we get in the market. Don't use that packed things. In your own house, with the help of the juicer, you can prepare the juice from these fresh fruits. They are very good for health. Moreover, very important thing is, we should cultivate one hobby, whatever it is. It doesn't mean that you should earn from that. Even if you don't earn, doesn't matter. Throughout our life, we have earned a lot. So, but to be happy in life, we should have one hobby of our own, which we like, which we love, which we enjoy. If you like music, you can do that. If you like gardening, you can do that. Whatever. But we should have one hobby in our life. And we should be busy throughout the day. Busy, I don't mean that you do some hard work and all. No. But be busy means mentally you should not be empty. Because as I'm telling you every now and then, an empty mind is a workshop of the devil. That is why we should be very, very busy throughout the... Read something, write something, do something, draw something, do anything of your choice. But we should be busy throughout the day. Then we should have good sleep. That is also very, very important. Sleep means don't sleep throughout the day. If you sleep during the daytime, you won't get good sleep at night. Afternoon, if you want, you can have a nap that too. And at night, you should have a sound sleep. It is very good for our good health. And don't have any stress. Now everything, our work is over, only we will be busy till the last moment, that is all. So don't have any stress, be happy, love everyone, and see. Then your day will be full of happiness, energy, satisfaction, and everything. So let me wish you all happy Seniors Day. Have a nice day.